We are now here at Abreeza's most exclusive tower, Abreeza Residences. I am Andy and I'll take you on a quick tour on what's inside your one-bedroom unit here in Abreeza. Welcome home to your one-bedroom unit. From the entry, this is where your dining area is going to be. This could actually fit up to a 6-seater dining table. Imagine having breakfast or dinner with your family here. Now into the kitchen. Here is your kitchen. It's spacious enough for you to cook your favorite meals. Now here is the provision for your refrigerator. And beside me is the provision for your stove. This door right here leads to your utility area. This could be a multi-functional room. It could be a laundry area or an extra storage area. Now into your bedroom. King-size bed. Imagine the possibilities of this room. Imagine putting your console table here, and then maybe your dresser right here, and then your TV over here. Now into your toilet and bath. That is it for the unit. Now let's see the exclusive amenities.
Kick.
The elevator has a special security feature. This tower is highly secure that only owners of the allowed guests can have a special access. You will be greeted by a hotel-like lobby and amenities are highly exclusive. Only unit owners have access to. You have a 24-hour security within a safeguarded estate, Abreeza. This property is currently managed by the Ayala Property Management Corp and is developed by Alveo Land, the #1 internationally multi-awarded upscale real estate brand, Ayala Land. To schedule an on-site visit or to know more about this property, please don't hesitate to send us a message.